Hello, I'm a poet. I'm the greatest poet in this world. My name is Mr. Joe. Mr. Joe. I am from a country you know as Spain. Concretely, I am from Barcelona, more or less. Today, I'm here to read one of my great poems. If you ever need a friend, don't think twice. I am your man. Don't roll the dice. Take my hand. I will show you a good plan. Jump onto my magic carpet. Get out of bed. Pick up your pets. Tonight the sky is ours. Don't be scared. Open the doors. If you search for a real man, here I come, fast as a train. If you want a happy clown, let me know. I'll turn you on. That's all. This is my poem. I hope you enjoy it. What do you think, my brother?
Pues la verdad es que no he entendido nada, pero me ha llegado. Sí, me ha llegado.